Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find the best project manager by comparing ClickUp and Asana. If you're looking for the best project manager in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. When it comes to standard project management, both Asana and ClickUp offer the typical views to display your projects. List, board, timeline, Gantt, and calendar views. Here's what a board looks like in Asana. Other than the color scheme, and even that's not all that different, ClickUp's board view is pretty similar. The whiteboard feature even lets you quick add embeds from Figma, YouTube, and Google Workspace, which makes it easy to create dynamic vision boards in a few minutes. Within ClickUp, you have almost endless customization options. You can easily create custom dashboards to track anything from tasks to timesheets to custom embeds from around the web. Within a project, there's a simple Add Task button, or you can click into any section and add a task directly into it. From there, it's easy to drag and drop tasks so they're in the right section and order. Once you've created a task, you can add subtasks, assignees, and a due date, each in a click. None of this is novel or surprising, but that's the point. Asana does exactly what you expect it to, which makes it easy to navigate. ClickUp's interface, on the other hand, isn't as intuitive. For starters, from a distance, ClickUp seems a little like a blank piece of paper. Bugs and laggy performance are common issues for ClickUp, even after the ClickUp 3.0 update, which supposedly boosted the app's performance by 2x. Asana's AI suite also includes practical tools like Smart Goals for refining objectives, Smart Charts for AI-generated charts, Smart Rules for natural language automation creation, Smart Chat for finding information quickly across projects, and Smart Summaries for condensing project updates into actionable highlights. The pricing models differ significantly. Asana includes AI features in their paid plans, with usage limits, Starter, 150 monthly AI actions, Advanced, 1,500. ClickUp charges an additional $7 per user per month for unlimited AI usage through ClickUp Brain. Asana's automation interface isn't quite as intuitive. There's a solid selection of pre-made automations, but they're cumbersome to access. While ClickUp's automations are a bit easier to use and Asana's are a bit more powerful, both apps have essentially the same impressive set of automation features. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.